Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Then in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about REDnote and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of REDnote and here you can update your app if you find update. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.